Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, July 10th. We will continue to see warm, mostly clear, dry, and occasionally breezy conditions, particularly early in this period through Sunday and Monday. We do have a weak system that's going to move to our north today. We'll see slightly stronger breezy winds with that, and then we'll see even a stronger drier system on Sunday into Monday. That will bring some particularly stronger winds, and I'll talk a little bit more on that in a second. We are looking at near red flag conditions on Sunday with those stronger winds and low RH, particularly for zones 410 and 425, and that could happen to a lesser degree today. Again, our winds are not quite as strong as what we're going to see on Sunday. We are going to be dry and warm today through Sunday, and the driest and warmest day with high pressure originating overhead will be Saturday, and it looks to be a Haynes index of 6 still. Looking at the satellite imagery, we do have that weak system again approaching us, and it's going to move over northern central to northern Montana, and we will see again wind increase from that. It's already starting to increase slightly, but it's mainly going to increase this afternoon. Are looking to the winds to stay below lake wind advisory. And then here's the next system that will be impacting us Sunday and Monday, and to a lesser degree Tuesday. So looking at our impact overview, low humidities throughout, particularly through Monday, although they do get better Monday, but we are in all the areas that have the humidity listed here, they're below critical values, below 15%. And you can see on Sunday, we are looking not only to have that below 15%, but also have windy conditions for zones 410 and 425 that are over 30 miles an hour gusting. We'll have some other zones that will flirt with it, like 475 and 476, particularly in the lower levels, but the winds look to be just below the values. The other critical thing here is I'll talk about fuels. They're not quite critical yet. We are considering the red flag for Sunday, but again, we don't have any zones that are critical, although 425 may become critical by Sunday. Our fine grasses are cured though, and will burn quite nicely in our lower areas, particularly 410, 425, and then lower elevations in other zones as well. Here's our energy release component. You can see the trend has been the numbers have been rising the last several days, and look for that to continue through Sunday with those warmer, drier, and breezier conditions. Our afternoon highs today are right at near normal. Humidity's below 15. You see a lot of the valley areas across the area, and then here's the gust of hitting above 30 right there at the Arco Desert. So that's why we're saying just a slight chance. Any fires that do get going will certainly have a chance to run, particularly in the with that wind and low RH in the Arco Desert area, especially. But could see other problems as well in the lower areas across the Snake River Plain, and just again in the lower valleys in general. But high temperatures Saturday, you can see 4 to 8 degrees above normal with that high pressure ridging directly over us, and that will bring really widespread, most of the area will be below 15%, that critical value across the area. And then our high temperature on Sunday does drop down with that system starting to move in, but it's just right at normal, if not slightly below normal. And then you see our RHs, there's quite a few areas, particularly the Arco Desert and Snake River Plain, that are below 15%, and then here's widespread gusty winds above 30 all across the Snake River Plain. And we will have some ridge tops hitting the 25 in the mountains as well, but we're not looking for those RHs to be above, particularly those ridge tops look to be above 15, although it will be close. But those areas aren't near critical as far as the fuels are concerned. And here's our high temperatures on Monday. They do drop a couple degrees below normal, and you can see our RHs do get a little bit better. We still have the Arco Desert, in particularly, and some valleys up in the 475, 476 that are below 15. And then on Monday, we still have some breezy winds, and you see a good portion here of the Snake River Plain above 30. That does get, all these does get better. We drop even a little bit more on temperatures on Tuesday as that system has pretty much passed through us, bringing in the colder air. And then you can see our RHs recover. There's very little area, if any, that is below 15% RH on Tuesday. And then as you can see, our wind gusts do drop off quite a bit on Tuesday afternoon as well, although it will start out breezy, and the winds do get better even on Wednesday and Thursday, although the temperatures will start to be on the rise and the RH will start to drop as well. Again, just a quick summary, will be mostly clear, warm, dry, occasionally breezy through Sunday. We will have a stronger system move through us today, dry, but a stronger one on Sunday into Monday. Well, there is a chance, I forgot to mention, of isolated thunderstorms Monday afternoon, but mainly on Tuesday afternoon, or mainly our northern areas, Montana Divide, northern Central Mountains, born zones 475, 476. But those will be dry in nature. And then near red flag conditions on Sunday with those strong winds and low RHs, particularly for 410 and 425. And then driest and warmest day of the period will be on Saturday, and expect the Haines of 6 with that as well. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.